Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as different query solving in our channel as well as interview tips you will get from our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the InfyTQ form not open this problem. So many of students are facing this issue. I will discuss with you in detail. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. Okay, so let's start this video. So as you can see, there are lots of things in this video. That form not opening, direct to going to the other page, and also the last date of the form is when. Is there any time for start the form, when we expect the interview call, how to prepare for the interview as last step, and also there are many 200 plus all queries solved in this video. So I think it will help you. So if you are new to this channel, if you are thinking this video is helping you in your career guidance, you can subscribe and share this video with your friends because it will solve lots of doubts from you guys. So as of now, I can share the thing that form not open this issue. This is happening when you are getting a mail from InfyTQ team after getting shortlisted for the online drive. You will get this email that to fill up the survey form, where you need to fill the career details like what you have done, what are the queries you have, I mean to say, what are the career opportunities you have done, like schooling, all of these things you need to fill there, your work experience as well as the skill sets. So those things I know. This page is showing that candidate profile is not opening, that page is not linking properly. So I will say this problem also occurred previously. Many of our students face this challenge. I have got feedback from them that from waiting 14 to 15 hours, if they trying again to open that form, it is opening at that moment. Okay, so you have to wait after 14 to 15 hours. Also you can do one thing, you can send a mail to InfyTQ team. They will try to resolve it, or they will surely update you about their issues. They also have idea that the form is not opening. They will try to solve from their end also, and they will keep you updated. And so basically you have nothing to do if the form is not opening. You just need to open, and you have to check each and every moment after 14 to 15 hours. Each and every moment you have to check the survey form or the document link form. Okay, so next query is the what is the last date of the form. Is there any time to start the form? Yeah, there is the last date mentioned, that is 18th June. So if you are thinking that okay, so 18th June is near, you are unable to submit your form, so I will suggest that don't take worry, because as they have also idea, if you share your problem with them, then also they can extend with the timeline also, and also they will share with you the updated notification to you guys. Okay, so don't take worry, you can fill your form within 18 June, or if date is extend, they will surely let you know, and the form will be open to you. Okay, that problem will be solved by them. So is there any time for start the form? So this will be decided by the InfyTQ team, so we can't say any comment about that thing. Next question is when we expect the interview call. Okay, so what is happening in these days? So you have to submit your details, like there are so much details for this survey link, like career information, your proper document updation, your proper image updation, uploading your images, your documents, your resumes, and also the information like career information, work experience information, and also your skill sets information and your personal information. So after reviewing all those details submitted by you after 18th June, InfyTQ team will check all the details thoroughly, and also they will share the interview link with you. After 15 to 20 days you will positively get after getting getting scrutinized by the InfyTQ team about your career details submission. So I can also share some comments here. You can see that why does the form is not opening. Lots of comments I have received, so that's why I'm preparing this video. So the form is not opening, so many of you have already commented. And also I can say that I have also heard the news from my one of my student that he had given his exam in the month of April, but he had received it in the month of May. So you can see that there is nearly 1 month or 2 month gap. So in this manner it is happening. So, and also for the next point, that how to prepare for interview as last step. So I have prepared already many videos in my channel. I will share those interview tips related videos in my description links, so you will find it from there. So if you have any subject specific question, you can also share your doubts in the comment section. I will surely help you in this other videos. I will try to make different videos. So if you really like this content, you can subscribe and share this video, and also hit the like button. Thank you.